Hey, what's up, guys? 65 Looks here from scaleriders.com. Just getting the orders packed up. They're going to be shipping out today. Shout outs to the homies, Modelcar Mafia. They hooked us up with these dope stickers that we've been sending out with each order. I don't have many left. There's still a little stack left. So if you guys want one of these for free, you know, if you place an order, you're going to be getting one of those stickers in your order. All right, this one's ready to go. The Nissan Fairlady 240Z, another banger right here from Tamiya. Just releasing some really beautiful kits the end of 2024 leading up to this year 2025. The CRXs, they're back. Can't wait to see these out in the tables at the model shows also. It's always fun packing these orders because you get to see all the different things that customers get. Man, check that out right there. This one's very popular, the chrome spray right there by Revell. So glad we got these in the States. Last year when I was out in Spain, or actually a couple years ago when I was out there hanging out with the Eternals 124 crew, they were recommending this spray right here. It was mostly available in Europe, but now it's here in the US. So if you guys have never tried it, I recommend it. A lot of people use this. Yeah, you always gotta double wrap these with the bubble wrap just to make sure they're nice and secure right there. And I mean, this one's pretty much already done up. I just gotta seal it up now. The Porsche 911, a banger right here. Shout outs to Shane, Lewis, and Snacks. I know these guys are working hard on this model, building it up, you know, getting it ready for future shows right there. And this one, it's going to be a classic. You know, Tamiya released this. They're going to be releasing this probably for the next 10 years. I did see Zoom On did a PE set, photo etch. Man, I'm dropping the ball. I need to get on that. I need to get those for the site. But I will be having those as well. For now, I think I have like a few copies left of this 911. Yeah, so there's like a few variations to this. This is by far my favorite, the custom version. This is dope. Nissan Skyline. What else we got over here? The Honda City Turbo, the 11 Toyota Corolla, Fujimi, and man, this is a nice little combo right here. And we got those back in, so got to get all this stuff packed up, fit it all in here. All right, we're almost done. I'm just appreciating how everything's kind of lining up right here. It's always a fun thing, man, when you are packaging some of this stuff up together, how you're like, what the heck? It all just fits. So let's get this one wrapped up. All right, so all these are all packed up. Gonna be shipping them out today. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching.